Everyone, welcome back to the Data Guy, your go-to channel for mastering data engineering tools and concepts. If you're new here, I'm Vishal and I create videos to help you build a strong foundation in data engineering. In our last video, we explored what is ETL and its three stages. Today, we will be looking into a powerful tool for building reliable data pipelines called Delta Lake. Today, we are in an era where data is exploding at an unprecedented scale. Businesses are collecting vast amounts of data from diverse sources, including transactional systems, social media, and IoT devices. But with this explosion comes immense complexity. One of the biggest challenges is ensuring data consistency and reliability. Disconnected systems and poor data integration often lead to mismatch reports, unreliable insights, and costly decision making errors. As businesses grow, their data system need to scale while maintaining performance and reliability. The need for a unified, scalable, and reliable data solution has never been greater. But there is a good news. A game-changing solution is here, Delta Lake. Let's explore how it addresses these challenges. Delta Lake is a revolutionary solution designed to unify data lakes and traditional data warehouses. Delta Lake eliminates the pain points of a data inconsistency, unreliability, and lack of scalability. Delta Lake bridges the gap between data lakes and warehouses. Its key features are ACID transactions, which ensures data integrity even during concurrent updates, unified batch and streaming, seamlessly manage real-time and historical data, schema enforcement, which prevents errors with consistent data structures, time travel, access historical versions of your data easily. Delta Lake combines best of both worlds, the scalability and cost efficiency of a data lake with the reliability and structure of a data warehouse. It transforms your data into a trusted, high performance asset for analytics and AI. Now that we understand what makes Delta Lake a game changer, let's explore its benefits in more detail. Now, unlike traditional data warehouses, Delta Lake provides unparalleled performance, cost efficiency, and flexibility. For example, ACID transactions ensure data consistency, while schema enforcement and evolution maintain reliability across workloads. Here is a comparison chart between traditional data warehouses and Delta Lake. With Delta Lake, businesses can unlock the full potential of their data without breaking the bank. Now you can see the comparison chart. It is compared with respect to performance, scalability, data integrity, cost, flexibility, and use cases. Delta Lake's integration with Azure Databricks makes it even more powerful. Azure Databricks provides a collaborative cloud platform for processing, analyzing, and visualizing data. Its real-world use cases are ETL pipelines, extract, transform, and load data efficiently, machine learning workflows, train and deploy advanced ML algorithms, and real-time streaming, handle live data flows for instant insights. This seamless integration allows businesses to process, analyze, and act on their data faster than ever before. Let's see how you can set up Delta Lake in Azure Databricks and start leveraging its power. Getting started with Delta Lake in Azure Databricks is straightforward. First, create your Databricks workspace in the Azure portal. Next, configure your environment to enable Delta Lake. Finally, load your first dataset into Delta Lake and start exploring its feature. With just a few clicks, you can transform how your business handles data. So, this is the homepage of Azure portal. Once you are here, just search for Azure Databricks or you can get it from here. Click on Azure Databricks. Here you need to create one workspace. So after creating it, just click on Launch Workspace. So once you click on Launch Workspace, you will be redirected to this page, the home page of the Databricks. Here, first of all, create a cluster. Once the cluster is ready, let's create a notebook. Before that, we will ingest the data to DBFS. For that, click on Catalog. Click on this plus option. Click on Add Data. Here you can see Upload Files to DBS. Click on this. Here you can upload the files. Click on this. We will upload this file here. So this file will be uploaded to this path. We will copy this path. Once it is copied, just go to Workspace or click here, click on Notebook. We'll name this notebook Delta Lake Notebook and attach it to your cluster. Okay. First, we will read our CSV file. Let's create a data frame. Let's paste header true and for schema true. Let's see the data frame. Here you can see the data frame, product ID, product name, and category. This is the CSV. We created data frame out of it. Let's write it as a delta format. df dot. Here we are writing this data frame as a delta format. Here we are mentioning delta in the format, and we are saving it inside this directory. Let's run it. Okay. Let's try to read this delta file. We'll create a new data frame for it. Here you can see this is the data file format. Let's see the directory using wtils command. Copy this path. Here you can see this is our delta file, delta log. So this is how you can read and write delta file. Delta lake simplifies your data operations. Whether you are reading from or writing to a delta table, the syntax is intuitive and efficient. Delta Lake also supports advanced operations like schema evolution and time travel, making it ideal for dynamic real-world scenarios. Mastering these basics is your first step toward leveraging Delta Lake to its full potential. Delta Lake is not just about solving today's problems, it's a vision for the future of data management. With features like data sharing and improved scalability, it's set to redefine industry standards. Companies around the world are already using Delta Lake to gain a competitive edge, and its potential continues to grow. Delta Lake isn't just a tool, it's a revolution in data management. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the Data Guy for more beginner-friendly data engineering content, and share this video with someone who is just starting out. Have questions or ideas for future videos? Drop them in the comments below. I would love to hear from you. Until next time, happy coding.